Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Imagine a natural remedy that can potentially address and alleviate more than 100 different health conditions, all from a single simple ingredient. This extraordinary substance is not only a versatile addition to your diet, but also a powerful tool for enhancing overall well-being. Its benefits span a range of health concerns, from cardiovascular and digestive health to mental well-being and more. The secret to this remarkable remedy is flaxseed powder, derived from the tiny but mighty flaxseed. This powder is packed with essential nutrients that support various aspects of health. Flaxseed powder is renowned for its ability to support cardiovascular health by reducing cholesterol levels and inflammation, as well as helping to regulate blood pressure. Its high fiber content aids in managing diabetes by improving insulin sensitivity and stabilizing blood sugar levels. In addition to cardiovascular and diabetes management, flaxseed powder has been shown to aid in cancer prevention through its lignans, which has been linked to reduced risk of several types of cancer. The anti-inflammatory properties of the powder can also provide relief for conditions such as arthritis and psoriasis, while its omega-3 fatty acids support eye health. Adequate omega-3 intake can help prevent age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and dry eye syndrome by promoting proper retinal function and protecting eyesight. Flaxseed powder also offers remarkable anti-aging benefits. Its high concentration of antioxidants, particularly lignans and omega-3 fatty acids, combats oxidative stress and reduces inflammation, which are key contributors to premature aging. Regular consumption of flaxseed powder can help maintain youthful skin by improving elasticity, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and promoting a healthy complexion. Additionally, the essential fatty acids in flaxseed powder support cellular regeneration and repair, further enhancing its anti-aging effects. Furthermore, flaxseed powder plays a significant role in mental health, while its omega-3 content potentially easing symptoms of depression and anxiety. It also contributes to better sleep, which can be particularly beneficial for those struggling with insomnia or difficulty falling asleep. The powder's rich nutrient profile supports overall energy levels, promotes weight management, and enhances bone health, making it a valuable addition to any health regimen. By incorporating just 1 tablespoon of this powder into your daily diet, you can harness its powerful effects and support various aspects of your health. Its versatility and efficacy make flaxseed a standout natural remedy, promoting a healthier, more vibrant life. Start experiencing the transformative power of flaxseed powder today and see how it can enhance your well-being. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe and click the bell button for more videos of mine. Thank you.